Hi, and welcome to another Honeywell tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll review how to define the dip switches for a secondary MPA panel. We'll begin by locating the dip switch box SW1 at the bottom of the panel. Once located, we'll move dip switch number 3 to the off position to make it a secondary panel. Move number 9 off and number 8 on. This will give it the address number 2 to the panel. Once the dip switches are set, proceed to power cycle the panel. Then we will wait for the run LED to start flashing green. This will ensure that the changes take effect. For more information and videos, please visit our webpage honeywelldiscovertraining.com.